Hey, what's good, team? Run It Up was popping this morning. What y'all doing? Y'all already know every single day is Run It Up day. So today I'm cherry picking, which I don't recommend you guys do. You don't want to be having that long sit down with Instacart. But we're gonna cherry pick with Instacart, which just means I'm waiting for bangers. I wanna swipe some bangers today and see what happens, and maybe even try to do one of those double store orders just for the vlog. Yo, so not only did I swipe a double store batch today, I came up with an idea to make it actually worth our time to do a double store batch. So be sure to watch the whole video. I got you. And on top of all of that, I'm gonna give Bella a chance to win her money back because she lost $1,000 last night to me for a simple shot to the trash can. Yes, me and Bella are crazy. We do random bets like this all the time. Last night she lost $1,000 to me to the trash can. But yeah, besides all that, welcome to the vlog. Y'all already know what it is. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna run it up. Let's see how much we make today. Let's do it. DoorDash later. Let's get it. You already know what to do. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like for your bro, for your boy. You know. Let's get it. Hey, yo, let's get it. Whoever hit the like, y'all just manifested me a banger because I got a 61. Now, it's not a great banger because it's a triple and it looked like it was a lot of miles, but still, it's a 61, and that's how we like to start the day at 8:20. Man, it's still late in the morning though. I did come out late.
Share this until it's trending. All my transactions pending. All my business pending.
Let's get it. Took a little long to shop it, but it is what it is. Easy money as always, you know. Let's load it up. Let's get out of here.
I think they with me now, but they ain't gon' get it. But they ain't gon' get it. But they ain't gon' get it with me now. But they ain't gon' get it. But they ain't gon' get it. But they ain't gon' get it.
All right, fam. So we did it. We swiped a double store batch. Here we go. All right, so here we go. All right, so it says head to the first store. This is a $71 batch. That's why I swiped it. $71. I'll try it out. I'll try it out for $71. I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, the first one's pretty simple. I'm just gonna go in here and shop the store I always shop, which is Wegs, right here. And then the second store is Costco. So let's get to it. Let's do this. All right, fam, so here's the end result so far for the first store. A lot of items. I finished it quick. I finished it under 25 minutes, but it's a lot of items. Woo! And I shopped all the frozen. I shopped all the frozen, and I shopped all the meat last. But I don't know if that's gonna help. I mean, it is what it is. We gonna check it out. Then we gotta head to Costco. I got a 2-store with Costco. Hopefully I don't got a lot of items at Costco. Yo, Instacart and DoorDash are not going anywhere. Check this out. All right, so far we crushed it, right? We crushed that. But yeah, so far it's the same exact thing as any other store, right? So you just go through the order as if, you know, doing just a single batch. But once you get to the checkout point, you're gonna check out, and then it's gonna tell you to go to the next store. That's all it's saying right now. And yeah, let me load this up, and hopefully the Costco order is not big, because if it's a ton of waters or a ton of Costco items, this could get ugly. 19 items, 20 units. And you know, Costco items are huge, so hopefully it all fits in. Oh my goodness, this is so bad. I forgot. Costco on the weekends, no parking, gotta wait for people. This is so annoying with the double store batch. On top of that, and I look, they do got water, so hopefully it all fits in. Let's get it. Easy, easy. And actually, you know what, I'm starting to think I got a trick for this double store stuff that's gonna make it worth it for everybody. This is easy. All right, so it's time to load it up. I created a little barrier. This batch was easy. And honestly, yo, I'm not even joking around. Honestly, yo, this was worth it so far. You know what I mean? Like, the delivery's a little bit further than my liking, 17-minute drive, but for the shopping experience, it wasn't bad. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why this could be a good thing only under one scenario. I'm gonna explain to you why. All right, fam, so I'm on my way right now to deliver the first customer from this double store batch. And honestly, I will do another one just like this. Now, I would say this type of batch still sucks, but to make sense out of it, the only way you can make it worth your time is if you do what I just did. 2 stores where one of the stores is Costco. The only thing that we still got to worry about is frozen items from the first store. Yes, that's still a risk we have to take. You got to think about that. You got to take that in consideration. However, double store batches are gonna be good if the second store is Costco or one of the stores is Costco. So I was like, wait a minute, this is actually kind of good, right, for Costco orders. So I'm gonna only take double store batches if it's a store linked with Costco and it's high pay. So like I said, I like this because it was $71. So like this is the type of pay and higher I would like to see for my double store orders. And yeah, it went well because hey, I'd rather do this than a double Costco batch. When you get a double batch, like a double Costco, you're walking around Costco with 2 huge carts or that big orange thing, and it's just annoying. A double Costco batch, huge items for both customers, and it can get crowded, it can get annoying, moving all that stuff around for 2 customers from Costco. However, when you're doing a double store batch and one of the stores is Costco, so you get to reap the benefits of the high pay from Costco, but then the other store is smaller items, right? Smaller bags, and it's just easier. So check this out. Now, those double store batches actually are better than double Costco orders. Now that's if you don't have to drive far to the second store or whatever, but you got to take a lot of things in consideration. Still, like even like frozen items from the first store, you still got to take that in consideration. But this was like a break to be able to just go into Costco and get a single Costco batch with an easy Wegs batch, right? And it's a $70+ batch. So I mean, it's all right. I'm not gonna say it's the greatest thing in the world, but it's not horrible. It's not horrible because I didn't have to push around 2 big Costco carts. So hey, I'll do it again. It is freezing cold out here. We got our jackets on. In the middle of the parking lot, for every push-up you do, you get $100. Let's get it.
Wait.
No weights. Let's go. Oh, deal's off. Deal's off. If you don't get out the car right now, deal's off. 1. Come on. Let's go. It's cold. You can't do no push-ups. You got 1.
Do them on my knees.
No. Go.
When I have a bad knee.
So don't do them on your knees. Bruh. 1, 2. There you go. 3. Come on. 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7. Let's go. Come on. 8, let's go. 9, let's go. Uh-oh, 10, you made 1,000. You made 1,000, you stop, don't stop, don't stop. 11, 12, 13. Come on, how many more you got? How many more you got? 14, 15. Oh, you quit. 100, there's 200, that's 3 actually, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9.
There's 10.
Oh, there's 10. I got another 100 right here. There's 10. There's 10 right here. Boom. Hold that. 10. Oh, we got another stack here. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. But you know what? Give me 40.
That is 16.
Give me 40 for gas though, cause I gotta go get some gas.